That whole live as fuck.
You feel me?
I could have shot the music video with my phone. Alright, quick interview. What's your name, where you from, and what we doing?
My name is Mateo Harmon. I am from Houston, Texas. We are sitting in the car waiting to go to the next destination.
You ain't want to.
Focus on my better me. Okay, we get the party today. Slow emotion, but we close and swinging all type of ways. Lady shows us let the come and take a peek by the paint. Put a color in the
I got a lot on my hands.
Yeah. Yeah, like you hitting her. Yeah. Oh god, so cute. Oh my gosh.
Shout out to Gotti. Shout out to everybody that's really out here chasing their dreams, doing what they gotta do. So when the beat about to come on real quick, oh God, y'all better stay on. Y'all don't know who they talking to right now. Oh God. Running so stick like a centipede. On the red day, you the mini me. Forever stay humble, straight out the struggle. Climb to the top, I came from the gutter. No, I won't stop and never worried about murder. Calling me handsome, she want me to touch her. Stay out the way, I'm gon' looking for trouble. Yeah, I got guns, but I don't want to use them. I just need some fun to roll up this music. Look in my eyes, you can tell that I'm starving. Just cause I smile, don't mean that I'm good. No black and minds, I put out the woods. Brand new AK, it don't got no wood. Post on the